Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I share powerful insights on social media technology and the digital world to help you grow, adapt and succeed. So, if you want to stay ahead in this fast changing digital world, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the family. Guys, we are living in one of the most revolutionary times in history. With the rise of artificial intelligence, the internet, smartphones, and all these powerful tools at our fingertips, the world has completely changed. But here is the truth. AI is reducing jobs. Automation is taking over industries. Many people are already being replaced by machines and software. And while that sounds scary, it's also an opportunity because technology has given us an equal playing field. Think about it. You have a smartphone, you have access to the internet, you have free tools powered by AI that can help you edit, script, design, and create content in minutes. So, honestly, what's your excuse for not becoming a content creator? Right now, content creation is one of the fastest growing opportunities in the world. Whether it's YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or even blogging, there has never been an easier time to share your voice, your knowledge, your creativity, and build an audience that can turn into income. I will keep on encouraging you not to be left behind. The world is moving forward with or without you. The creators you see growing up today, they started with nothing. Just a phone and an idea. That's all it takes. So don't sit back and watch. If AI is taking jobs away, create one for yourself. Content creation is no longer an option. It is a necessity in this digital age. As I conclude, guys, here is my challenge for you. After watching this video, pick one platform, one idea, and just start. Don't overthink about it. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The perfect moment is now. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe because I always bring you content on how to grow and succeed in the world of social media and digital creation. Thank you so much guys for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.